Hi everyone, welcome back to the Clarion Cost Vlog. In this vlog I'm going to talk to you about the importance of correctly certifying documents in detailed assessment proceedings. Now this all arises from a case of Gem Pride, Court of Appeal 2018, where there were two key issues. The first one was the incorrect application of hourly rates in a bill of costs, so a breach of the indemnity principle. And the second was incorrect information stated in replies to points of dispute about the availability of before the event insurance. Now what happened in that case was that as a result of those serious mis-certifications of the bill and the replies, the bill of costs was heavily reduced, so a percentage reduction was applied to the bill of costs. But the key point is that the law firm had to self-report to the SRA as a result of those breaches, and the SRA investigated and have recently published the outcome of their investigation, which is a £20,000 fine for the law firm, and the law firm's been ordered to pay £5,000 in respect of the SRA's legal costs of the investigation. So I just thought it'd be really useful to share the outcome of that with everybody, because that's £25,000 that law firm has to pay due to the mis-certification of the bill and the replies. But I want to share five key points for litigators or anybody who signs bills, budgets, statements, for them to be aware of and have at the forefront of their mind to try and avoid any mis-certification of those kind of documents. So 5 key points I'm going to take you through now. Number 1, before you sign a bill, budget or statement of costs, just make sure you check your return and make sure it's valid, you have got a retainer with the client, and that the costs you're claiming are consistent with that retainer. Number 2, check the hourly rates. Obviously in the Gem Pride case, that was the key error, was the rates were claimed which were higher than the client was liable to pay. So check the rates. Really important to do that on matters where rates are upgraded at the end of a financial year or start of a new calendar year. Check that the rates you're claiming are consistent with the retainer and your client is liable to pay them. Number 3, grades. We often see this on CFA matters, so the retainer might provide for a rate for a grade A, rate for a grade B, C and D. And then when the bill's drawn, it's very easy to slot someone in at the incorrect grade, which therefore would amount to a breach of the indemnity principle. So check the individual people against the grades in the retainer when you're checking the bill, budget or statement of costs to make sure, again, there's no breach of the indemnity principle. Number 4, if you're acting on a private fee paying matter, you're billing your client monthly, you're sending them interim statute final invoices, and say along the way you're giving discounts to the client, make sure those discounts are factored into the bill, statement or budget by way of a limitation. Really important you do that. If not, you're going to be seeking more in cost into parties than your client is liable to pay, and again, a breach of the indemnity principle. And last, by no means least, VAT. It's a mistake we often see in detailed assessment proceedings, VAT incorrectly claimed, therefore the bill statement mis-certified. VAT, if the client's fully registered for that, then you wouldn't be recovering VAT into parties, so you'd leave it out of the bill. If the client's partially registered for that, then you would be claiming only an element of the VAT. And if the client's not registered for VAT and based in this jurisdiction, then you can recover VAT in full. But look into your client's VAT status, make sure you're comfortable with the position on that before you sign the bill or statement of costs. Hope you found this useful. If you've got any questions, then please feel free to get in touch through this vlog, or you can find my details on the website. Please like and please click on the bell icon to receive updates for further vlogs. Speak to you soon. Thank you.